Hi children, welcome to our class. So, I hope you all are safe and healthy. In the last class, we had completed the first chapter with Roman numerals. Okay, now we are moving to the second chapter. The name of the second chapter is Playing with Numbers. Okay, playing with numbers means we are going to do some uh, problems involving addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division all together. Okay, in this chapter, so already you have learned the numbers, operation of fundamental operations of numbers, that are addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. All process multiplication, division. Okay, so in that we know multiplication, when the result what we get is called product, and if you multiply 16 into 12 you will get 192. Then 16 and 12 are called factors of 192. Okay, all these things you have learned in 5th class. Okay, now we move on to some questions, and also the property of zero, multiplication using zero. When you multiply any number with zero, you will get zero as the answer. In the division also you have learned with the two digit as the divisor, three digit as the divisor. Everything you had learned in the exam. Here examples are shown, just to go through that. Okay, and in division you know the answer of division is called quotient, and the leftover number is called remainder, and the number that is divided is called dividend, and the number that divides is called divisor. Okay, now we move on to the next session of our class, that is problems involving addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. See here, some questions are shown here. Simplify A part. See the A part. Simplify 7 plus 3 into 4 minus 3. So here we are naturally using the process of Damas rule. The rule that is called Damas. In Damas rule, we are doing division first. D stands for, in the word Damas, D-M-A-S. D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. Okay, so if in the question you have division is there, then you have to do division first. If multiplication is there, you have to do multiplication, then comes addition, then comes subtraction. This is the order of doing this type of questions. So here in the first question, 7 plus 3 into 4 minus 3. So in this question we have multiplication is there, 3 into 4. So first of all we will do that. So the next step will come as 7 plus 3 into 4 is 12 minus 3. After that we will do addition, that is 7 plus 12, that is 19. So the next step is 19 minus 3. The answer, final answer after final answer is 16. Okay, in the B part, 16 minus 6 divided by 2 plus 8. Here you have division. So first we will do division. 6 divided by 2 is 3. So we will get 16 minus 3 plus 8. So division over. Now comes addition. So here 16 and plus 8. That will do first addition, because 3 has minus sign in front of it. So we will not do 16 minus 3 first. We will do 16 plus 8 first. Okay. So we'll get 24 minus 3, that is 21 is the final answer. So many examples are solved here. Just go through the examples. After that we have in the worksheet. In the worksheet I have given 10 questions. First question, 54 minus 17 plus 9. In this you will do first 54 plus 9. Then subtract 17 from the that result. Okay. The next question, 48 minus 39 plus 150. This also first do 48 plus 150. Then subtract 39 from that result number. Okay. The next question, 7 minus 5 plus 3 plus 2 into 9. Here we will do 2 into 9 first. Then 7 plus 3 plus this result 2 into 9 is 18. Then after that the result has been 5 has been subtracted from that number. Okay. So this way you have to do the worksheet. The fourth question, 28 divided by 4 minus 7 plus 2. So first we will do 28 divided by 4, that is 7. Now comes 7 plus 2, 9. 9 minus 7 is again 2 you will get, like this. In the fifth question, do first division 45 divided by 5, then addition, then subtraction. Sixth also do division, then addition, then subtraction. The seventh question, you have first do the division 21 divided by 3, then multiply that number with 4, then addition, then subtraction. Okay. And eighth question, 200, first do the division, then addition, then subtraction. And in ninth question, simple, first add, then subtract. And 10th question, you have first number 123 into 0 plus 625 divided by 25 minus 5 into 5. In that, you know, first number is 0 only, because any number multiplied with 0 is 0. Then do division, then subtract it. Okay. So all these today, do all these questions neatly in the copy. Okay. So for today we finish here. Stay safe and healthy. Thank you, children.